Hey, hello, welcome to Albert Pinto's multi-channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show and explain to you guys how to create a logo using the Canva app.
First of all, open Play Store, type Canva, select Canva Graphic Design, download. There it's getting downloaded. Okay, almost done. Open. Then click on Continue with email, which I have already done. Click the relevant option for you, either Facebook or Google, it's your choice. So first, you open the Canva app, then you see the options under Explore Canva. So for creating a logo, click on the logo icon. Under that, you see a lot of options like gaming, food, fashion, etc. You can choose the relevant option. Here I am choosing under the beauty tab. Next you click on it and you will see a variety of options available. Here I choose this option. You click edit and then you will see something like this. Then you tap on the text to start editing. So then here I type the name of my channel, AP, and down I type Albert Pinto and then the go button. Later I type multi-channel. So next you can choose different fonts by clicking on the font icon. Select the required one and then you can adjust the size by clicking here. And later you can change the color by tapping on the text you want to change. And below you have options to align the text, make it bold, which includes spacing. Now coming to the background, tapping on the background, the colors can be changed, or either you can add an image from your gallery or images provided by Canva. You can also add a video as well, but here I prefer keeping a plain background. To add any extra text, image, stickers or illustrations, click on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. Once you click on the text tab, a variety of options will appear before you, wherein you can choose or just adjust one of your own. You can change the fonts, color, size and spacing as shown before. But here it is not required for me, so I will just delete it with the delete option that's present at the top of the screen. You can choose stickers, illustrations, and here you can even change the chosen template, logo, etc. You can add another page here, but I don't think that it is required for me. So then you click on the share or export button on the top of the screen. There you can export it anywhere, but I would prefer you save it to your gallery first. And that is it. Your logo is ready.
Hoping this video was very informative and useful to you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.